Dear viewers, this is my 17th video. In this video, I want to discuss on a social problem. The topic is justice delayed, justice denied. Justice denied is a legal maxim. It means if the justice is not delivered to the injured party in time, it is no less than no remedy is available to the injured at all in the domain of law. The legal issues are solved in our country very slowly because of the complexity of the existing system of prosecution and overburdened legal system. Martin Luther King said, injustice anywhere is threat to justice everywhere. Usually, people seek the court of justice to find solution in right way for their legal issues. But if the solution for their problem is not obtained in time, they lose hope, and in that case, justice is delayed, which is nothing less than denial of justice. After 70 years of independence, even after 70 years of independence, our citizens are far from the dreams of realizing the delivery of justice in the right time. This is very important to protect the interests of the needy and helpless poor in India. The Government of India enacted Article 39A in judiciary, which directs the states in India to provide free legal aid and equal justice to the poor who cannot afford to fight in the court of law on their own. Very recent case where justice was delayed is Nirbhaya case. In this case, 4 men were convicted for 2012 gang rape and murder of Nirbhaya. But the pity is, it took nearly 7 years to finally hang them. Not only this case, many other cases are delayed to reach the final stage. Especially in civil cases, especially property disputes, land dispute cases, decades together the cases are pending due to system of appeals from lower court to upper courts and from upper courts to apex court in India. The law ministry in the Government of India is trying to reduce the kind of delay by way of increasing the number of courts, tribunals, commissions, lok adalats, and also by enhancing the number of judges in every court in India to reduce the burden on the legal system in India. This kind of action initiated by the Government of India may reduce the delay in justice delivery in India. Dear viewers, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.